Oh, hi guys. So, I'm just gonna make a video today just for you to bear witness to this. You will never get this minute back in your life. So savor it.
Hey David, is it raining outside?
I don't know. It kind of sounds like it.
Sounds like rain.
Go check.
Okay.
Man, if it is really coming down out there.
Maybe there's a
Oh my God. Is it down out there setting fire to it again? That shit was dangerous last time. Well, that's it. Bye. All these houses caught on fire. It was crazy. Man, they had to shut down the city. Cray. But then again, it's never just rain, so.
Thanks, bro. So now we can never watch anything.